Hi everybody, this is news from Streetfire, and today I'm gonna let you see my noble team and my new weapons, what I buy out Switzerland. Yeah, that's pretty far. Okay, we're gonna begin with the first noble, Carter. Okay, Carter has just a Star Wars sniper rifle. Okay, let me put like this. Okay, just have that. It's like the marksman, how do you mean that? The animes. I'm just gonna get it. This is Cat with a robot arm, and I buy the Magnum. That Magnum is really little. Yeah, the rest, it's cool. With the robot arm, you see that? And Novel 6 with the assault rifle. I don't paint that yellow thing. I just take some yellow clay, just put it on. Yeah, that's a recon from Halo Reach, and that is Marksman. And this is just his knife. I buy that too. Wait a sec. The team was noble team. Yeah. It's Happy New Year and Happy New Year. I have this knife, a black assault rifle. Still cool, but I like the silver more. George with his machine gun. And really, I like the machine gun. I make it from a guy, but I don't know what his name is. Yep, the guy. That's from Tridum. No, not Tridum. That is, what's the name? Nalvs. From Nalvs. I made those characters, but this one is with myself. Nalvs. Nalvs. A little bit of me and Nalvs. And Nalvs again. Okay. June. With the sniper. Buy it. Out Switzerland. Glue that soldier, what is the name? Bullet. And the unused knife from June. And it's really the sniper from Halo. See that thing? The difference is, really, actually, I like the noble team, and I make the machine gun from some guy. I already told that. My noble team is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just 6. I really like it, the noble team. It's cool. Now we go to the other one. Put this away. Now we get with the real news. I have to put this guy. Okay. I hope it's not gonna fall, because I have really much on it. Okay. It's going good, going good, going good. There we go. Okay. Whoa. Okay. We're beginning now. Okay. This guy, I buy the Needler 2 and what's the name? The frog grenade. It's really little. So if you have some animal, don't let them eat them. He can die and you're lost. You're a frag grenade. The trooper with the how's the name? Energy pistols. This one was a free weapon. This one, I buy that one. I buy it by Warehouse 19. Then this guy. I buy this Star Wars for $16. 16. Piece of crap. This is just a hot rebel trooper. Nothing special. His face is cool. This is a hot officer. Something. He has these things. Then he looks like he's flying. See? It's cool. I like this guy with my new energy swords. This one's. I really like this one more than that one. No, I really like this one more than that one. I don't know. I really like them. A hot trooper with 2 energy swords from Warehouse. Nothing special. And his face is cool. Still for the energy swords, they're cool. Some guy. But I get 2 with this set for $16. And the last one we're gonna watch on Google. Gonna watch just watch through my little thing. Just enjoy the music. Okay, enjoy the music. We have this guy, and his name is Isaac. That's from Dead Space. See it? That gun, I made it. Just a handgun in that yellow thing. I just made it other way. This must have that gun must be green, and this thing must be yellow. But yeah, just glued it on so I can't put it off. See? Isaac, that is back. I saw it. And he's really cool. You see that hand is normal, and that hand is a little bit robotic. I don't know how you must speak that. Okay, I like those guns. I like the Noble team. Oof, that's some ugly flood. That is really uglier than a flood. Okay. The hot officer. That was my news for today. News part 1. Really, I think I got no more toys because my mother buy all these guns from Switzerland to Netherlands, and that's really far. For 5 days, 1 week, or 3 days. Really, that guns. I get these guns now. They are new now, so yeah, I'm gonna hold this one in his hand, the frag grenade, because I'm not gonna leave it in his hand. Then my cat gonna eat them. I hate that. It's Happy New Year, so let me say to you guys, Happy New Year. Wait, there's coming firework. Wait a sec. That was it. That was a little bit scary. So Happy New Year, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Peace off. That's your face, Tabascus. No, really. Bye. I made those things from Isaac. You see the thing? I made that too. Do I have another weapon? Do I have another weapon what I can show? This card. I can buy 3 weapons now. Really much. 5 free weapons. No, that's a joke. I really want that. You see? Warehouse 19. Yeah, I thought it was an alien with some eyes, but it's 19. It's Swiss. Big Arm Space Assault Rifle. zwart. That is black. Brick Arms Space Assault Rifle, gunmetal. Gun M. Yeah, gunmetal. BA Space Magnum Pistol, gunmetal. Brick Arms Combat Knife, dark gray. Brick Arms BE-PO-OD. Is it Peabot? I don't know. Zwart. Black. 1 CT. Brick Arms C. I'm here. CSR zwart. It's actually black. Okay, Brick Arms Neither Gun lila, purple. Brick Arms Plasma Blade Combat Cobalt. Brick Arms Plasma Blade Trans BLA. I don't know. Brick Arms Energy Sword purple. Energy Pistol purple. Brick Arms MK2 Frag